Today we'll be creating a sales quotation from SageCRM using the data in your Sage Mass 90, Mass 200 accounting system. So here I'm going to show you how you log into the system. It's just like you're used to. You go into your start menu, you click on the Mass 90 desktop, and you get your regular Mass 90 log on. That takes you here, and this is all familiar, should be all familiar to you. You have your Mass 90 tree down the left, your regular Mass 90 welcome screen. But if you notice, there's an icon up here that's different, and it allows you to log into the CRM system. So you push on that icon, and you come here to the CRM screen. And this is where you log into the CRM, but you always have your Mass 90 tree down here to the left that you can access throughout your experience with SageCRM. So I'm going to go ahead and right-click on the Find. I'm going to go to Company because I want to pull up a company that is a prospect in status and show you how we can quote a prospect, but in order to turn it into an order, we want them to be an opportunity, I mean not an opportunity, but a customer in Mass 90. So I'm going to go ahead and find. We have Steve Hoffman. Let's see if he is a prospect. And he has not been promoted. Okay, so yes, we have a prospect here, if you can all see that. And what we need to do to access Mass 90 and build a quotation for this prospect is we need to turn it in, we need to make a new opportunity. So we add a new opportunity. And let's say we're going to sell a PC file cabinet. Or we're going to quote one, and we hope that we'll sell it. So we call it a PC file cabinet for the opportunity. And we associate it with, let's just say it's this particular user. Her name is Susan May. So we'll assign it to Susan. And then we'll say that we're going to close this. We always have to associate a prospective close date. So we'll say this Friday at 9 o'clock. And then we'll go ahead and save that opportunity.
And by the way, I know that there's some finance and IT people on the line, but this is really great information because it all can be rolled up for the salesperson, for a sales manager, for an owner to say, what do we got going on in our pipeline? This is just a great way to do business.
So what we want to do now is we want to generate a new quote for this customer or this prospect. So if we go to quotes up on the top tab here and we say new quote, okay, so that brings up Mass 90, and you're all familiar with Mass 90. And right now you see order type is grayed out, prospect quote. I cannot change that because this is a prospect in SageCRM. The only time you can change that is if it's a customer in SageCRM or in Mass 90. So you go to the Lines tab, and I'm going to pull up that opportunity. We wanted to sell him a Han 4-drawer letter file. So we'll go ahead and select that. We'll say that we're going to order 1. And we'll accept that. And go ahead and accept it. And then if we move off, since this is browser based, you move off the tab, come back. You see that my order is now in CRM. You can go ahead and pull that order up. And that went to Mass 90, updated Mass 90, now updated CRM. So now everybody who accesses CRM can see this quotation that I generated for this prospect. Can you improve your bottom line with a better system? Do you have the right software for the job? Do you have too many Excel spreadsheets? These problems are not going away by themselves. Let's discuss your needs and find the right solution for your business. The Ativo Group. We are business management software specialists, and we help you beat your competition to the punch.